So last night, a guy messaged me on Marketplace saying that he had a Chevy Dually crew cab, and he wanted $700 for it.
Yeah.
So we decided to at least go look at it. I offered him $400, and he said that was fine. So if that says anything, it's not the greatest.
It's a project truck.
Chevy. I think it's a 1981, something like that. It's got a 454 manual transmission, bald tires from doing burnout. So anyways, we last night also I got on and found this GoPro 360. So from here on out, we're gonna videotape everything from that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go get an SDS card. New GoPro.
Yeah, so now we're going to be filming stuff with this. I've never used a GoPro before, and neither has he, so this is going to be kind of a learning experience, as you will. We're going to show you some bugs and stuff. And, yeah, so, got this custom-built trailer that I didn't build. Used to haul the buggy, but it's mostly custom built.
We'll see. Her mom doesn't want to drive it. What's that?
It's an airbag can mess you up too.
Yeah, it depends on what you hit, huh?
Yeah, so I was starting from that ignition switch right there. Turning it over. $21 down there.
Gotcha. Which part are you talking about? Down here? This stuff?
Yeah, right here. Cause this is what this rod runs to right here. Cause the ignition it always jammed up on me. I never replaced it. I just went straight down to this. I owned a few cars that had that. Or I did that too. But see the bottom's all missing right there? Bunch of springs and stuff come out. I can start it for you though and show you it.
Right.
Yeah, you drop the column right here. And it'll come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty cheap.
I'd do a new one too, because I think that one was swapped in originally when I first got the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's not pretty.
But it runs and drives good, right? I mean, well,
I haven't driven it up
okay.
the driveway. Yeah, I got it because when you saw it, when it was sitting out there, I put it in it. I didn't feel something. So it won't work, it won't start, none of that. You never have to hook up wires.
So you plugged it in?
So I plugged it in, timed it, I opened up the valve there to make sure fuel was coming out. And then,
It fired up and you drove it in here?
Yeah, it fired up and I drove it out because they were getting ready to tow it. I showed up at the same time and he was like, hey, we're getting ready to come up and take this today.
Again?
Yeah, and I was almost like, because, well, that was, when they were getting ready to, and I was like, well, I was almost going to let them. But, damn. That's a turd, man. But, it doesn't go. I'm gonna pull the engine.
So, update. Buggy hauler's a little too short by like how many inches?
About 10 inches.
10 inches? Yeah, so we're gonna go head to his work, grab another trailer, and come back and try to put it on that trailer. The only problem is that trailer's in deck over, so it's gonna be interesting.
It's gonna be a little harder to get it up that high.
Yeah, but it's fine. We got it under control.
You got this.
Yeah. It's kind of the cringe trailer because it's heavy, but and bouncy and lame. But you know, it'll work. It's gonna do us some good. So you know, it's really close to the edge here. But yeah, it's how many feet?
24.
It's 24 footer, and it's an overdeck or whatever you call it. So yeah, we're gonna
24 feet of bounciness.
bounce. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna go. And we're gonna get that truck. Using this hill to the advantage because this is an overdeck trailer. So we're gonna try and get the truck up using this hill. I think they're putting it face first. I don't know. I'll just keep filming and see if I catch anything. They also have a winch in case all fails.
Alright, so the switch just pulls out. See, this is the little piece that broke out of it. And then when you get that in there, it just slides like regular, or you can hook the ignition back up. But I got this wire running into this pink wire right there, see it? And then I run it over to the other pink wire.
Oh, gotcha.
And then this one right here, just put it into the yellow.
Maybe that'll kind of support that. Yeah.
This side, this side. Yeah, don't lose it.
All right. Not in the ground too much.
Oh, it's got a
I wish we could get
thingamajigger.
the winch on it somehow. If we get some underneath it to pry it out of there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's start rocking it. Just go. I think it's all unbolted.
Walk out with it.
Kick it.
Careful, tail's another guy. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh.
Let it go!
Dude, kick it at me, why don't you? I was coming to help you.
Yeah, just like we planned.
I think it is welded in the rear, but
Fun.
out a little bit.